So, what is included in our major OCD detail? If you have heard the other two videos, you're going to know where we're escalating this process. If you haven't, this is going to be our most thorough detailing specific package. So, we're going to do a thorough hand wash, a chemical decontamination on the exterior. We're going to clay bar it. That way, we have minerals, metals, tar, sap, all those things off the exterior. A really nice cleanse of the pores of your paint system as well. Once we've done all that, we're actually going to do an engine degrease and shine with a water-based shine. Doesn't attract dust or anything like that, but that is going to include the engine bay. Once we go on the inside, thorough blowout of all the cracks and crevices, hours of vacuuming. We're going to do a hot water extraction or a shampoo, if you will. We're going to seam clean all the surfaces while we're scrubbing on the interior of all the little door hooks and the handles and instrument clusters and nooks and crannies. We're going to go to town on this car. Once we have done all that on the inside and the exterior, we're going to clean up the wheels and wells. We're going to put tire shine on it. We're going to have a 6 to 8 month sealant on there. This is considered our full detail package, inside and out, that we're going to get that car back to the day you bought it. Give us a call if you have more questions about this. You want to come by the shop for a free quote, or you can book online right there with that link. And we can't wait to do a major OCD detail for you.